Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn this wig into a completely different hairstyle. So if you haven't seen my review on this wig, I'll put it in the description and the pictures right there. I'll link it at the bottom as well. But this wig, the lace on it, because it's so dark, you can see the knots, and I really don't like how the hairline looks. So today we are going to be giving her bangs. We're also going to cut some length off. The thing with longer wigs is the longer the wig gets, especially when it's all curly and poofy, the faker it looks. The hair is really long, and this hair just gets tangled so easily, and that's why I'm going to cut it. And I want to show you how you can cut your wig's hair to, whatever style you want. So I will be doing some other videos on cutting wigs because I have several wigs that I'm going to be changing the style on. Now, just so you know, I went to cosmetology school and I passed. So I know wigs are a little bit different than regular human hair. Oh wait, this isn't human hair either, it's a wig. You should watch my review on this one too. I'll link it down below. I'm not a beautician right now. I actually chose to be a YouTuber instead. I chose to be a lot of things and then came YouTubing. But anyway, I know what I'm doing, so I'm not trying to just go off the cuff. I have an understanding of how cutting hair works. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to do the bangs first, and I'll show you how to part out the section of the bangs to make them look good, in my opinion. I'm not going with the really light floofy bangs. I'm going with just the heavier bang that goes to the side. And if you're looking to cut your own hair, your own bangs, and I know you see a lot of YouTubers that cut their own bangs, or TikTok or whatever, and then it goes up to here. When you cut your bangs, you want to cut them at your nose first and see how everything looks, and then slowly cut a little bit more. But you always want to start at your nose, especially if you're going for right here, start at your nose. If you're going for your nose, start at your chin. Okay? And then I'll show you how you will part your hair to actually cut your bangs. And I'm going to comb it just back. We don't have a part. I want our bangs to come over pretty far. I'm going to take half a triangle section right here. And this is lace front, so the part that I'm cutting for bangs is still within the lace. Let's do the next side. We take our next triangle of hair, and we try to get it to about the same spot on the temple. Don't do this without having your wig on some sort of a mannequin head. These are going to be some pretty chunky bangs. This hair is incredibly thick, and I would love to take advantage of the fact that I can make chunky bangs. Now, for your real hair, if your hair's not super thick, you want to make sure that you don't do so much that you're like lacking hair in the back. But let me show you the part. I'm going to put this hair in a ponytail. I like to save the hair from the wigs that I cut to make little like clips to clip in my hair, or maybe to make like a bun. I probably wouldn't put a blue bun on brown hair, maybe a blue bun on pink hair. What we need to do, it's not really flat right there where we did it. It still kind of wants to poof up a little bit. So we're just going to take and use a curling iron on low to flatten it out. You need to check your wig's information to see how hot you can go. The hair can melt. What we're going to do is just take and run the curling iron down the bangs several times to get them to just kind of fold down, because the way they were put into the lace, they were folding up. Then I will grab my comb to comb it and see if it's flat enough. Now, because I want to save the hair, I'm going to put a rubber band around the hair quite further down than where I plan to cut. You should probably just put a rubber band in the hair as well, just to keep it separated from everything else, and then you might want to pull the rest of the hair back. Now, since the style I'm going for is a bob, I'm going to cut it fairly short. I want the bangs to be shorter than the actual hair. When we get done, I will try it on to show you the finished product. Like I said before, I'm going to place my rubber band way before the place I'm going to cut, and since I want the bangs to be a little bit longer than chin length, I'm going to pull my rubber band down and then That way it gives me room to cut them where I want to cut them. When you are cutting hair, first what you want to do is actually start in the middle and work your way from one side to the other. And by the way, I suggest using fabric shears or hair cutting scissors, just because this, for synthetic hair, this is synthetic, so it's kind of like cutting fabric. In fact, I would actually suggest the fabric scissors. I'm going to hold it with my fingers. You know, once you cut the wig hair, you can't go back. Okay. What you want to do is you want to take and pull your strands. So you would stand in front of the wig, and then you'd pull the strands down and feel the chin to see if they're even. Because I'm worried that this side is actually shorter, but it feels like it's just about even. So there's the bangs. We'll be touching up the bangs in a later video. Let me show you how they can be styled. Style it to the side. Put a little clip in there, something like that. The rest of the hair, we're going to do the same way. We're going to separate it out in sections starting in the middle, and then we're going to put little ponytail holders around it and cut them, and then go through again and make sure everything is even. I'm going to use my comb to make sure that everything is straight and even before I put the ponytail holder in, because when you cut just straight, it comes out not straight sometimes, especially when Grandma does it. Now we're going to take two sections from each side and put those in ponytails as well, making sure that the ponytail holders are in the same place each section. Divide this in two. Grab yourself another rubber band and continue on. Make sure that they're the same length. Then we grab our last section and get it in a ponytail the same length as this one. And this one is the same as our middle one. So it works out perfect. Don't forget the comb. Last rubber band on this side, and we will make sure that it is the same length as the one next to it. Other side, the next thing we're going to do is separate these two sections of hair into two. Okay, and then we'll put our rubber band in and make sure it's at the same length as that pink one next to it. Okay, and we pull it down, even, they're even. Gonna take this last section and do the exact same thing. And we want to make sure that no hair is left behind. Now we're gonna check these and make sure that they're even. We have done the sectioning out of cutting of the hair, and I will have so many cool wefts of hair that I can turn into little clips to put in my hair, and I am very excited about that. Okay, it's time to get to snipping. And just like with the bangs, we will be starting in the middle of the back of the hair. So cross your fingers and let's get to cutting. The base of the neck is right here, so we're going to use that base as a guide. What I'm going to do is hold my fingers just a little bit below that base and then cut above my fingers. Okay, there's one piece cut. Okay, next piece, right here. Hold my fingers right there, go down a little bit, and cut. Just below the base, and cut. Oh yeah, look at this already. This is going to be so flippin' cute. Okay, let's do the other side now. We'll start right back here, next to the last one. I'm cutting just above my fingers and just below the base. I am so excited to try this wig on. I think it's going to be absolutely adorable. Okay, so here is the hair. Super freaking cute. Here is all the hair that we cut off. This will not go to waste. This will be in another video, so just go ahead and hit subscribe and the notification bell so you can be notified when this video comes out. Because I bet you're wondering, what is she going to do with all that hair? This is what she looks like. I think it looks super cute. I'm going to go ahead and try this wig on, and then I will be right back. And this is the final look. I will be probably doing a little, probably like a wave sort of thing on the sides here. I am pleased with it. I can't really see the back because I can't find a mirror, but I will show you what the back looks like. And just like I wanted, it's right above my shoulders. I have like this cute little side bang here, and then this side bang goes across. It's just exactly what I was wishing for. It is a little thick still, so a waving iron will probably take care of that. But that is it for this video, and I want to thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on what I do with that hair, and also so you don't miss out on another creative video. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you got value out of this video. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down. Just let me know. Thumbs up or thumbs down. You gotta do one. Promise me. You'll do one. Thumbs up or thumbs down. And then subscribe. I work very hard on my videos, and your subscription would really help me out. I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic day. I love you guys, and peace out.